Have you ever thought love could be solved like a math equation? That maybe the perfect partner isn't found by chance, but by logic, science, and a well-designed questionnaire? Well, meet Don Tillman, the brilliant but socially awkward genetics professor who believes he can find his soulmate with a project. And not just any project, the Wife Project. In The Rosie Project by Graeme Simsion, we step into Don's world, where structure and schedules rule everything. He thrives on routine, meals timed to the minute, days planned like clockwork, and emotions kept neatly out of the way. But when it comes to romance, his logical approach hasn't exactly worked out, until he decides to create a scientific survey that will identify his perfect match. No smokers, no barmaids, no late arrivals, just data-driven compatibility. Enter Rosie Jarman. She is everything Don doesn't want. Impulsive, fiery, chaotic, and late to just about everything. She's not a candidate for the Wife Project at all. But Rosie needs Don's help. She's on a mission to find her biological father, and suddenly Don finds himself drawn into the Father Project. Along the way, something unexpected happens. Don learns that love can't be graphed or predicted. It's messy, spontaneous, and completely human. What makes this story so heartwarming and engaging is Don himself. His voice is both hilarious and deeply touching. As he stumbles through dating, social rules, and the chaos Rosie brings into his carefully ordered life, we can't help but root for him. The novel is about more than romance. It's about acceptance, vulnerability, and discovering that sometimes the best connections are the ones you never see coming. If you enjoy contemporary stories with humor, heart, and a unique perspective on love, The Rosie Project is a must-listen. It's uplifting, witty, and will leave you smiling long after it ends. So, if you're ready to laugh, feel, and maybe even rethink how love works, dive into the full audiobook today. Trust me, Don and Rosie's story is one adventure you don't want to miss.